हाज्या खातीर आमी एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम कशी करची, नेक्स्ट जनरेशनाक कितें दिवचे, ताज्या खातीर ही स्कीम टेंटेटिव्ह फ्लोट केली आज मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या डिस्कशनाक आसा and I expect that there will be some announcements in this assembly session. Today, maybe in the first week of July, we are launching the NCS portal, which will address all these concerns of the employment, which comes to you registering yourself, employee registering yourself themselves, getting a unique ID number, which will be reflected everywhere. In through this NCS portal, the employee will be able to look at the type of job opportunities which are there. The employer will be able to look at the type of employees looking out for opportunities. And as we bridge the gap, we would come to you with a scheme for the couple of next years, which would allow us to bridge the gap through your industries to make the person industry ready.
Coming to electricity, there's a very major problem as far as fluctuations are concerned. Breakdowns. Of course, industrially, when an industry is working, a car partner is a big loss to the entrepreneur. And I know it, and I've got this discussed with the Honorable CM. So there's a need where we get a separate line so that all the businesses function continuously. But there's a major problem now, and I'm sure my Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Mohan Bhai Parikar, will take a note of that and will follow up that issue. Because it's one, at the moment, a very, very serious issue.